Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Robert Canter, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own cookies and cream candy bars. I've taste tested this recipe myself, and I can assure you it tastes exactly like a cookies and cream bar should taste like. The only deviation from my other recipes is that in this one, we're using white chocolate and chocolate sandwich cookies. You do not need to use Oreos. In fact, I urge you not to because the store brands are cheaper and it helps me keep my conscience clean. Simply follow the directions on screen and in no time you'll have your own cookies and cream bar. Just remember to crush the cookies in a bag with either a meat tenderizer or a hammer. And be careful where you do it so you don't break anything. And don't forget to bring the water in the pot to boil with the second pot on top, then reduce to simmer and wait 3 minutes before you add the chocolate. Remember, if it's too hot, you're going to ruin the chocolate. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, then click the links in the description below and buy my books.